Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we'll explore wonderful and the most awaited tutorial. Yes, we will create Lisp in AutoCAD using ChatGPT. You can automate your most of the common tasks in AutoCAD, but you require programming and you had experience in coding. But here the story changed. Without any programming, without any coding experience right from scratch. To be very honest, I don't have any knowledge, any experience in coding and programming. This is deep level understanding. This will help you a lot in many ways. Must watch out completely. Without getting completely, you will not understand how to completely create Lisp routine that perfectly work with AutoCAD. Okay. So without wasting time, let's begin. The idea is we will generate Lisp routine that find out area of P-line in square meter and in square feet, both in one time, in text format, okay? This Lisp we will create right from scratch without any knowledge in coding or programming, okay? I have created more than 100 Lisp using AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. If you want to explore personally, you can definitely check out the complete course how we have generated multiple Lisp routine. So let's start our topic. Simple, this P line we have, we will create Lisp using ChatGPT, okay? Right here. The prompt is write a Lisp that help to find out closed P-line areas in square meter and feet, okay, in text format, like xxx.xx, this is our format, square meter, @ again this template, square feet. We want like this pattern in text format, okay. It should work when I type PLAR, this is our short key. Then it asks to select all the P-line at a time, then enter to get each closed P-line area at the center, and then click over the screen to get the total area of P-line in text format. Keep text scale unit 45. This is our input, okay. We are getting two response. Let this here, okay. We will check both, okay. First let this one. Copy this code, okay. Now open your blank Lisp. Just this part full remove, paste new code, okay. Just simply save. Now we will see it is working or not. Let this load application. Select your Lisp, which one we have simply saved, okay. Now type PLAR, this is our short key. Okay, select your P line. Here you are getting some mistake. If you see error active X server, we are getting mistakes, so we will check other one. We are getting two option, okay. Let this one, we will see this one working or not. Copy the code, open this Lisp, remove older one, paste new one, save, okay. Now let this again load application, load your Lisp, okay. Now we will see it is working or not. PLAR, select your P line, enter. See, you are getting same situation. Means our Lisp not working, okay. So we have to explain what is the problem, okay. So what you do, you have to explain what you are getting with this Lisp, okay. What the problem you are facing. So the problem is error active X server return. This is our problem, okay. The error unknown, and just enter one time, so it explain the error and resolving again, okay. And then again we are getting new code, okay. What you do, let this code copy, open your Lisp, remove older code, paste new one, close and save, okay. We will see it is working or not, okay. Type load application, select this one, close. Now let this here, PLAR, this is our short key, select your P line, enter, okay, and click here. Means we are getting perfectly fine this Lisp working. This is our each P-line area in square meter and in square feet. And below one is our total summation. Okay. I will check list. Okay. We are getting this area correct or not. So story not finished. Just let this very carefully. Okay. Let this list. This is your area. Copy from here and match with your Lisp output result. If you see here, we are getting same as it is. This one also. Select this P line and copy this area. We will check as it is or not. If you see here, I have an understanding how I generate more than 100 Lisp behalf of real problem. Okay. So if you want to explore comprehensively, definitely you will get great insights over there. If you want to explore more than 200 plus advanced automation tasks, this will help you streamline your most of the common tasks in AutoCAD. So must practice this technique, okay? And let me know how you have generated your first Lisp routine, okay? This will benefit you in many ways in an upcoming time. When you become master in this way, this will help you a lot, okay? I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. And yes, if you want to support CAD concepts, must join membership. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.